Is this a tornado watch? I don't know. Well, that one's got what the heck?
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Butler County
This is
in
PDS.
central Kentucky, southwestern Grayson County in central Kentucky, Ohio County in central Kentucky until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles east of Central City, moving northeast at 65
radar
miles
indicator, I
per
think.
hour. The affected centers include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Hartford, Casey, Beaver Dam, Tomato, Fordsville,
Did you just say tornado
McHenry,
as a place
Rockport,
located?
Rochester, and Staff. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.